I'm gonna take out the whole hub here and then try taking off the axle shaft. That way I can remove the differential and install the new mounts for it, or the bracket. There's always some sort of indentations on the axle hub nut. You just have to pry it up with a flat and then open it up.
Like crazy, you press your arms on my head. We fell into my small bed. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. I felt my breath is taken. We were
Alright, so I took off the axle shafts on both sides. I had to literally move off everything to take them out. Now there's two mounts over here that's holding the differential, and that should drop, and we'll do the modifications needed to it. Alright, so I just mounted the differential with the rear support bracket. As you can see there, that's the new part that we used. And now what we're going to do is we're going to lift up the differential as it pivots from the back. We're going to install this bracket on the top to give it even more support at the front. So that's going to go pretty much like that. Go there. And then for now I'll just put a bolt or two to hold it down. That way it doesn't move around. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to lift up the differential a little bit. That way. Until it goes to the top. And I'm gonna mark 2 holes here in that side, and I'm gonna go ahead and drill that, and then that'll be our new support bracket. A little bit loose, but it's pretty much gonna go there. I'm gonna get my drill right now and mark one end. Gonna go up a little bit, make sure that's straight as much as possible. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and remove the bracket now. So we're gonna drill the subframe now, and then we can feed the bolt through. I'm gonna go over here, straight on it.
Like crazy, you press your arms on my head. We fell into my small bed. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. I felt my breath is taken. We were about to make it. 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 To make it. To make it.
Okay, so the differential is in right now. It's not fully bolted on, but that's pretty much the support bracket, the new support bracket for it. I'm going to start putting back everything here, the drive shaft, sorry, the axle shaft, control arms and everything. So I'll tidy up everything at the back, that way we're done with the differential side, and then we'll start working on other things.